Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to your journey with Empower 401k. This platform is a powerful tool designed to help you manage your retirement savings efficiently. Understanding how to use it effectively can truly make a significant difference in your long-term financial future. We'll walk through the key steps together, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident navigating your account to maximize its benefits. Getting started is simple. Just head over to the Empower Retirement website and log in using your credentials. Once inside, you'll see your dashboard, which is your central hub. It gives you a clear snapshot of your current balance, recent contributions, and overall account status. Take a moment to explore, noticing sections like My Account or Investments where you can access more detailed information. Now, let's talk about your investments. Empower provides a range of options, from easy-to-manage target date funds, which adjust automatically over time, to more self-directed choices. You'll want to review these options carefully. Think about your comfort level with risk and your long-term financial goals, as this will guide you toward the best investment strategy for your unique situation. A crucial part of growing your 401k is managing your contributions. Empower makes it simple to adjust how much you contribute from each paycheck. You can typically find this option under a contributions or payroll section within your online account. Even small increases, perhaps with each pay raise, can significantly accelerate your savings over time, so consider boosting that percentage when you can. Finally, it's really important to regularly check in on your Empower account. This doesn't mean daily, but perhaps once every few months or at least annually. Review your investment performance and consider rebalancing your portfolio to stay aligned with your goals. Consistent monitoring ensures your retirement strategy continues to work for you, helping you build a secure future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.